Howdy folks, today I'm going to give you a detailed breakdown of how I make a fancy old-fashioned here at my house. Now this old-fashioned takes a little prep, so to make our old-fashioned tomorrow, we're going to start today. First step, go to the store. At the store you're going to buy a navel orange. You're also going to pick up a straight-sided water bottle. Doesn't matter the brand, any plastic water bottle will do, as long as it's straight-sided. These 700 ml Smart Waters work great. You'll also need a koozie. I assume you have one at home. We're going to also need some sugar. I like turbinado. You could get demerara, but turbinado is easier to find and a little cheaper. Just don't get white sugar. All right, we're back from the store. Time to make ice. You're going to empty out this water bottle and cut the top off. Doesn't matter how high you cut it off, as long as it fits in your freezer. You're going to put it in the koozie, fill it with water, and put it in the freezer. We'll pull that out tomorrow, but in the meantime, let's make simple syrup. There's one more thing you're going to need for this old-fashioned, and that's gum acacia. And you really can't find that at the store. You'll have to go online. This gum acacia is going to turn our simple syrup into gum syrup. It's going to be thick and luscious, but if you don't want it luscious, well, I guess you can skip this step. The thing about it is you have to hydrate this overnight to avoid lumps. I learned this from a book called The Bar Book by Jeffrey Morgenthaler. We're going to let this sit overnight on the counter so it can turn into a goo. Time to go to the liquor store. We're going to make a bourbon old-fashioned, and the liquor store is going to have a dizzying array of bourbons to choose from. I have a whole video about choosing your bourbon, but today I'm just going to use this Russell's Reserve. It's good, and it's what I have on hand. At the liquor store, grab some Angostura bitters if you don't already have some. Tomorrow we're mixing the drink, but you're going to need some tools. A mixing glass, a spoon, a strainer, a peeler, and a jigger. Okay, today's the day. Let's start by making some gum syrup. First we're going to measure out 255 grams of sugar. That should be 9 ounces. We'll add 4 ounces of water to that. Then we'll add in our gum acacia goo. That should be a total of 9 ounces of sugar, 6 ounces of water. That'll make us a 1.5 to 1 simple syrup. Morgenthaler likes 2 to 1. I found that too thick. Once combined, heat that up until the sugar dissolves. You don't have to boil it though. Then let it cool. Now let's get the ice out of the freezer. Pop it out of the koozie and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This will let it warm up a bit so it doesn't crack when we take it out of the bottle. You're going to run some warm water over it until you can squeeze it out. Then you can just cut off the cloudy bit like so. As long as the gum syrup is cool, we're ready to go. All right, let's make this drink. 2 ounces of bourbon in the mixing glass. Bar spoon of gum syrup, a couple dashes of bitters. Add the ice, stir. Strain. Peel your orange. Express it. Trim it. Place it gently. Easy as that.